Hey, you guys, how
Hello,
are you?
friends.
It's hot. It's a warm day here in St. George.
Yeah, 107.
Oh, yes, but we're surviving. We are surviving.
Yeah, we're inside.
Yes, we definitely
It's
are.
cool in the mornings, though.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Which is really nice.
Yes.
And then last night I went out late, 10 o'clock, and it was cooling down a little bit.
Which is really
It was
good.
really nice.
All righty, so we just got our order today.
We got away for a few days, went up to Cedar, and then Cedar Breaks, and then around the bend to Zion's and back home.
Yep.
It was a really nice trip.
It was
beautiful.
It was really nice.
Beautiful greenery and
Yes.
flowers, and it was just beautiful.
All righty, so Leon, you want to start with your stuff?
I really needed this order. I really did. My my LLV was like out. I mean, I was really, really low, and especially on the alpha CRS part, I was like completely out. And of course, you know that we get the alpha CRS and the microplex VMG. We get that, and then of course we're getting the new Omega Plus, A Omega Plus with the
Wild orange.
Wild orange. And so that was my primary part of the order. And then for the 3 add-ons, I got, of course, I always get deep blue polyphenol.
Say that real fast 3 times.
And so that's what I got with that. And then I also ran low on my PB Assist Plus, the little pixie sticks. And so I got the combo, because it's a little cheaper, with the PB Restore.
Yes.
That comes with that. And that was like $59 or something like that, but it was still very worth it. And of course, I ran out of my MetaPWR
Recharge. I mean, not recharge.
the
Advantage.
Advantage.
Which is the collagen.
You know, this stuff is so good for my joints and my muscles and stuff. It just, you can't be without it. So anyway, that right there is my 3 things that I get with my regular LLB order this month. Next month, I'll get something else. Also, with that, I'll talk about it after.
Oh, okay. You're not going to go over those?
Well, these are some things that I got. The TriEase with points. I was running low on TriEase, and I'll tell you what, even right now with the smoke in the air and stuff from all the fires and stuff, you still got the drainage and stuff, and so the TriEase really helps out.
Yes, it does.
And then also, I was running really low and running out of my On Guard Plus. It's the support blend, protective blend, and it's got the, Melissa, and it's got the
black pepper
and the oregano, along with the On Guard. It is so good. I think it really is helpful. Also, with that, I was almost completely out of my Copaiba gel caps. The Copaiba, I use that for, body achiness and stuff.
Joints,
inflammation,
inflammation,
and I was
things.
I was running really, really low, and so I wasn't using it. I wanted to wait for my order to come in, but I'll start using it again.
Yep, you can tell a difference.
And then I wanted to reorder my Purify. The Purify, I use the Purify as add-on to my deodorant. Also, we use it in the dryer, on the dryer balls and stuff like that. And so we're running a little low, and so I wanted to take mine, the one that I have little of, and put it in there into the laundry room. But Purify is really good. And also it's good to diffuse. And I think this last week or so we diffused a little bit of the Purify with the smoke in the air and stuff like that.
Yep. And one thing that I use the Purify for, I use it with the Breathe. I get so stuffy through here and things are driving me crazy. So I use the Breathe on the bottom of my toes and the Purify, and the toes, that area is connected to your sinuses.
Right.
So
reflexology.
thank you, with the reflexology. So that really seems to help well and to start opening things up pretty quickly. So I really, really like that. Okay, So what I got the VMG because I have been totally out of this. VMG, what does that stand for? Vitamins, minerals, greens, and plus it's just got all kinds of good stuff in it. And I'm gonna open it up.
Superfood.
I'm gonna open this up.
Yeah, you know, and really, it's got a good taste.
It does.
You mix it
got
up.
pineapple in it.
You mix it up with just water, or you can put it in
almond milk.
your protein shake and
Yep.
mix it up with other stuff that you use for supplement.
Yes.
And of course, I doctor mine up with juice and different things.
He makes suicide drinks.
But,
Just face it.
But it's so good. It just has a good flavor,
Yeah,
and you
it
can
does.
really tell that it gives you energy throughout the day.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
if
it
you
does.
forget to take vitamins in the evening meal, you're okay. You got what you need.
Yeah. And they come in these new little skinny sachets like the Advantage instead of the bigger pack, even though it was
Yeah.
really skinny. This is so nice. You can stick one in your purse or your pocket.
Right.
I'm excited about that.
And I like these new ones because the other satchels were square, kind of squarish, and I cut mine, and it just seems like it takes forever to get the stuff out, you know. You have to really shake it and hit it and so forth. But these are really cool. This
Yes.
is just like the Advantage.
And I like that it's a whole food nutrient complex. So it's not a bunch of junk in there. There's no additives. Well, I can't read it, but anyway, there's a good amount of goodies in here for your overall health and well-being.
Yeah, and it's balanced.
Yes.
It's not too much of one thing or whatever. It's just balanced.
Yes.
Synergistic.
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 That was close. That was close. Okay, so, and like Leanne was talking about, when you buy the vitamins, or there's a few other things that you can do too, then you are able to buy up to three other products at a really good savings. So I bought this and this, so then I'm able to customize my cart. So I added the Terrazyme. This really is good. I use it every single day, and it's good to use like with every meal. In fact, it's really good if you use it maybe 20-30 minutes before you eat, which I hardly ever do. But it helps break down your food. So you're going to get the nutrients, and it's just going to help your gut, your overall health, and this is really good stuff.
Go to a friend's house and have a lot of rich food.
Oh my!
A lot of times we'll come home and have an extra one.
There we go.
So
it
anyway,
kind of
we're
went away
back.
for a second.
We went on a commercial break.
Yes, we did. I don't know. Anyway, our internet has been squirrely. So then the other add-on I got was the Deep Blue Polyphenols. These are really, really good. I don't use these very often. I don't need them very often, but sometimes I've got a knee that kind of bugs me and different things like that. And hi, Valerie. So I really like using these Deep Blue Polyphenols. It really helps. You know, like the Deep Blue stuff is great. It's got targeted, you know, you can use the cream or the rub or whatever it's called, or the stick, and use it for targeted things. But this is really good just for overall discomfort, things like that. And speaking of Deep Blue Rub, I got some of the little samples. These are really good to have. They just come in these little packs. And then you've got that Deep Blue Rub. Take it, put it in your backpack, wherever, you know, you're going on a cruise or whatever. Take a few of those with you.
Yeah.
Then the third item that I got at the discounted price is the PB Assist Junior, which, well, I don't know what it's called now, PB Assist Plus. And both of their probiotic things have the pre, the post, and the probiotic. So these are really, really good. And I like these because you just rip off the top and it's like a pixie stick. Tastes good, it's easy to use, kids love it, and they're getting that probiotic, which we need. We definitely need it. So then what I use some points for my TriEase too, which is that blend for itchy eyes, you know, runny noses, just things bugging you in the air, and again for the On Guard Plus that Leon was talking about. And then my last thing, well, I'll tell you a couple things. Then I got On Guard toothpaste samples. Let me open this and I'll show you. use the scissors. All right, there you go. There, it comes in this little envelope kind of thing, and there's all these different little
We have those
samples.
in our travel pack.
Yes, we do. And there's enough for 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 times of brushing your teeth.
Yeah, because you don't use very much.
So there's, so I got 2 of those. Then I got the vegan plant protein. I haven't bought this for a while because it's been out of stock. It's available again right now. They've got chocolate, vanilla, and the vegan. It's available for a short time, and they are going to discontinue it. I don't know why. I'm assuming that it's because they have a hard time maybe getting one of the ingredients for this, and it gets out of stock quite often. I'm sad. I didn't even know that when I ordered it. I just saw that it was back. So the other thing I got is Intune. This is a roller bottle, and I love this stuff. I had 2 or 3 of them, and I'm almost out. Yeah. So I really do love this Intune. I do not focus very well. My brain goes off into la la land. If you need to focus, if you are a little bit overwhelmed or scattered, or you're just procrastinating, this is amazing. It's very grounding. It's got both the Hawaiian sandalwood and the Asian sandalwood, I think it is. I don't know what it's called, but it just regular sandalwood. I don't remember what else it's got in it, but yes, let's see. Okay, it's got amyris, which is not a regular oil that doTERRA has. It's got patchouli, frankincense, lime, ylang ylang, sandalwood, and Roman chamomile. They're all calming. In fact, what I do a lot of times I'll just roll it right on the back of my neck or on my wrists and smell it. Especially at night, I like this because then it helps my brain to not be jumping all over the place, and I can just calm down and get to sleep because I need sleep, and he needs me to get to sleep, right? Yeah. So the free oil of the month is tea tree. So you get a 5 ml bottle of tea tree, which is really good for skin breakouts. It's good for, oh my gosh, I can't even remember all the good things for it. It's really good for toenails and fingernails that get a little bit funky. It's really good for cleansing those kind of things. And how you get these is when you place a rewards order of 125 PV or more, and by the 15th of the month, then they'll not throw it in there, but then you'll get the free oil of the month. And then it comes with this little card, and there's a little QR code on the back and on the front. This one tells cleaning wipes, making your own cleaning wipes. And bites. Yes, you're right, yes, Valerie. Yes. Bug bites. Absolutely. Bug bites. And then a tea tree makeup remover wipes, and yeah, it gives you the recipe anyway. But anyway, and it tells you how to use tea tree and what it's good for. Yeah. So I use it all the time when I cut my fingernails. Yes. Afterwards. Absolutely. And once in a while when I get a cut or yes, a paper cut or a cardboard cut. Definitely. I'm always putting that on there. It's so good. Yes, it's very cleansing, so that's a good thing. All right. And I guess we're going to have to stop this video because we're done, and we got to get the clothes out of the washer because it's beeping. And I'm sure it's going to drive you crazy, just like it's driving us crazy. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful week. Love you guys. And have a good one. Don't tear it up. You betcha. See you guys. Bye. Bye. Oh, and if you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Yes. Awesome. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Bye.